Gatekeeping Small Business Edition. This is how you create a custom email for your small business that is tied to your website domain /URL through Google Workspace. For example, something at orders@smallbusiness.com instead of smallbiz@gmail.com. Why is this important? It'll give you a specific inbox for your small business, which will help you make sure that you don't miss any emails. Plus, it helps you build trust and credibility with your customers by keeping everything consistently branded. So let's jump into it. For this example, I'm going to show you with the domain www.galaxymerchco.com, and I'll be setting up the email orders@galaxymerchco.com.
First, you'll need to sign up for a Google Workspace account. Go to workspace.google.com/pricing.html and click Get Started under the Business Starter Plan. If you go through the workspace.google.com URL, you will automatically be surfaced to the $18 Business Plus option instead of the $6 one. Our goal is to set you up for success in the most inexpensive way by helping you get the better deal. From here, you'll be asked for your business name, number of employees. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use just me, one person. Next, type your first name, last name, and your email. After this, you'll be asked if you have a domain. Select yes, I have one I can use, and then type it into the text box that appears on the next screen and click next. You'll be asked if you want to educate your users about Google Workspace apps. You can click OK or no thanks. Next, you'll be asked how you'll like to sign into the account, and it'll have you create a business email address. This is where I'll be creating orders@galaxymerchco.com and create a password. You'll then be asked to review your payment plan, which we had selected $6 flexible plan, the business starter plan. Then click next. You'll have a customer info page. Fill out your address and click agree terms and conditions. You'll be redirected to your sign in page, which in this case is orders@galaxymerchco.com, and type the password you just created. You'll get a glad you're here welcome screen and click next. Select the protectyourgalaxymerchco.com or whatever domain you own. You'll have this pop up and click I'm ready to protect my domain. On the next pop up, click next, go to step 2. You will need a copy of these values later. These next two steps are specific to the sites built on Universe. Open the Universe app and go to the site you wish to add these records to. Go to the site settings, tap domain, tap DNS records, tap plus, add new record, set type to TXT and paste the TTL, host name, and host name of the Google Workspace. Leave the TTL as the default, 1 hour. Once this is done, go back to your Google Workspace and click the Protect Domain button. You'll see this page if it was a success. Then click Continue. Now it's on to finally activating your email. Scroll down until you find this part of the page with 5 DNS records under step 2. Skip step 1 if you have a Universe site. You're going to do the same thing here you did before, but this time instead of the TXT record, you'll set it to MX in Universe. Pay close attention to the priority numbers given. For all these, you can leave the TTL as the default for 1 hour. When adding all 5 DNS records in Universe, come back to the Google Workspace and select Activate Gmail. If everything was entered right, you'll be brought to this page. Hit finish and you're done. Typically, you can send and receive messages at your Google Workspace email address in less than 6 hours. You can send a test email to double check everything is working. Add it to your website after 48 hours and you're set.